Welcome back, Future Medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the documents needed for Tamil Nadu Management Quota Counseling, including CMC Vellore and minority quota seats that comes under the minority colleges in Tamil Nadu. So the most important document you need is the NEET UG 2020 admit card and the scorecard. These two are very, very important. You need to take it. You need the class 10th mark sheet. You need the class 11 mark sheet if you have studied in Tamil Nadu State Board, and that too if you are coming under the class 11th public exam. Certain candidates, even you have studied in Tamil Nadu State Board, you might not have written the 11th public exam. Then for you, it's not applicable. This is only for the latest batches where the class 11 has a public exam. For other board candidates who have studied in other states, this may not be applicable for you. And then class 12 mark sheet. If you have studied in Tamil Nadu State Board and if you have taken the public exam in class 11, then you need 3 mark sheets, 10, 11, 12. For all other candidates, you need only the 10th mark sheet and the 12th mark sheet. You need the transfer certificate, or in case if you are currently studying somewhere or if you are currently joined in some other college, then you need a bona fide certificate from wherever you are studying. You need to get a bona fide certificate stating that your certificates are with them and you are currently studying in that particular college. You need the eligibility certificate obtained from the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University. In case if you have studied and passed your 12th exam from Tamil Nadu State Board, you do not need the eligibility certificate. For all other candidates, this is applicable. Whether you have studied in Tamil Nadu, whether you have studied in CBSE, whether you have studied in Andhra Pradesh, wherever you have studied, you need the eligibility certificate. The only exception is Tamil Nadu State Board students. You need some photographs, passport size photographs, same as the one you have affixed on the NEET application. So take some printout, maybe keep about 10-15 copies of the passport size photographs. For the counseling, you may need 2-3 photographs, but during the admission, you may need about 7-8 photographs. So keep about 10-15 photographs as a standby. You need the Aadhaar card, PAN card of the parents, particularly those who are joining in private colleges. You need the PAN card because the fee structure will be high. And when you are making the payment of the fees, that particular college might ask the PAN card before they are accepting the payment. So make sure that the PAN card of the parents from whose account you are making the payment. You do not need both father and mother. From whoever the payment you are making, you need the PAN card. Community certificate of candidate and one of the parents, either father or mother, you need to produce the community certificate if applicable. Only if applicable, you need to produce the community certificate. Mainly this may be needed for SC, SCA and ST candidates coming under CMC Vellore. And in addition, for those candidates that comes under CMC Vellore Minority Network, you need the proof of minority network category certification status. You also need baptism, confirmation, or church membership or religious minority certificate. And then those who comes under religious or linguistic minority quota, that is the Telugu minority, Malayalam minority, those candidates, this is not for CMC Vellore candidates. For those who are coming under other colleges that comes under minority category in Tamil Nadu, you need the religious and linguistic minority certificate as provided in the format given in the prospectus. You need to get it either from head of the school or from the revenue authority. In addition, for religious linguistic minority candidates, you need the nativity certificate because this category is only relevant for Tamil Nadu candidates. You need to be a native of Tamil Nadu to apply for either Telugu minority or Malayalam minority. You need the ration card or passport, preferably ration card. You need the bona fide certificate that you have studied from 6th to 12th standard in Tamil Nadu school. Religious or linguistic minority candidates also need to bring the parents' documents, particularly some study certificate for the parent that they have studied in Tamil Nadu. It can be one of the parents, either father or mother. You have to have either the TC, transfer certificate, SSLC or 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, first graduate certificate or no graduate certificate. Any one of these is sufficient. In addition, the parents' document in Tamil Nadu, either the driving license, ration card, passport, or voter ID. So these are the documents needed for you to participate in Tamil Nadu Management Quota Counseling. In addition, I recommend you to look at the prospectus, the schedule that is going to be released, and the call letter you will be downloading. Look at them in closer detail so that you don't miss any of the documents needed. Because all these information I'm sharing is mainly based on my experience in the previous years. So in case if any additional document is needed this year, make sure that you take note of that by looking at the relevant documents. Thank you. I see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.